Tired of typing long passwords on your TV remote? Logging into Netflix just got a whole lot easier. Today, we're going to show you how to log into Netflix using a QR code, making those movie nights hassle-free. First, fire up Netflix on your TV or device. Where you want to log in, look for the login screen. You should see the QR code displayed right there. Grab your smartphone or tablet, open your device's camera app. Most smartphones these days have built-in QR code scanner. Simply point your camera at the QR code on your TV screen. Once your camera recognizes the QR code, a link or notification will pop up on your phone. Tap on that link. This will redirect you to the Netflix website or app on your phone. You might be asked to confirm that you want to log in on the device displaying the QR code. Confirm the device that is displayed on your phone. And that's it. Your TV screen should now automatically log in and take you straight to your Netflix profile selection screen. You can now start streaming. Having trouble? Make sure your camera lens is clean and the QR code is well at a stable internet connection is also crucial. If it still doesn't work, try closing and reopening the Netflix app on your TV or restarting your device. So ditch the remote struggle and embrace the QR code life. Subscribe for more easy Netflix tips and tricks. Enjoy your streaming.